Let's make chickpea peanut butter chocolate chip muffins. To make the batter, we're going to add a can of chickpeas to our blender. And your blender has to be strong because this batter is going to be thick. Go ahead and add your sugar, whichever kind of sugar you like, coconut sugar, vanilla extract, that's going to be 2 teaspoons. And yes, my shirt is inside out. Please don't say anything. Then we have the star of the show, peanut butter, of course. And I want to emphasize getting a natural, unsweetened peanut butter. It's just going to be way too sweet otherwise. And peanuts are just such a great source of healthy fats if you're not getting the super ultra processed peanut butter. Then to add moisture, we're going to use flax eggs instead of regular eggs because we're going to want this recipe to be plant-based. And flax eggs are going to add a nice amount of moisture and kind of texture. Finally, throw in whatever kind of flour you like. You could do gluten-free, you could do oat, that's what I'm using. And then you get to start blending. I recommend starting really low with your blending speed and slowly working your way up. I got my Vitamix last year and I love making this recipe in it. Because we've replaced most of the flour with chickpeas, it's going to have a really thick texture. It's not going to be like a normal batter. You can see here when I take off the lid, it's still a little bit clumpy. We're going to want to smooth most of those clumps out. So as I said, starting at a low speed and then speeding up. When the batter starts to kind of kick against the machine, then you can go in with your tamper and help to really smooth out the batter by pushing it around to continue the blending process. Honestly, really similar to hummus now that I think about it, because hummus is also chickpeas. And look at how smooth it is. It's going to be really thick. It's not going to drip. And now we're ready to add our leavening agent. This is going to make it nice and fluffy, baking powder, right? We don't have eggs, so there's no other way to get a fluffy batter besides baking powder. And go ahead and mix in your chocolate chips as well. So that way there's chocolate chips nice and mixed into the batter here. And then immediately put that into a muffin tin and then into the oven at 350. These muffins were gone so fast, definitely give this recipe a try. Bye!